Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and we're still in the fabulous world of fashionistas. We're here with Barbie Fashionista 180, and this is the tall blonde. You can see this is her artwork. She looks really pretty, and then this is the face of the doll. This is the back of the packaging, and you can see in this lineup we get some of the similar characters that we had in the last wave, and then this new wave is kind of blended with them. So she comes in this reusable bag, so pretty. She is a tall doll, so she is on that tall body sculpt, but I'm loving this blonde hair. Just look at this beautiful blonde hair, texture of ash blonde, and it looks like it's some white highlights in there. It is a little over the place right now because this is a little bit of box hair, but I really love her outfit. And when we go down to the outfit, you can see it's a whole bunch of tie-dye colors, pink, blues, whites, blended in. She is wearing a watch on his hand. It does have the triangle in it. Hola, no, ninga, tongonga. You guys know that from Squid Games. That's what that makes me think of. And then down here, she does have her white high tops on. Now, she can't really fit on that Barbie stand because it's made for the standard Barbie, but I'm so excited to have her. Now, if those of you who are not familiar with the Fashionistas are basic dolls. I did get her from Amazon.com, so she doesn't really have the extreme points of articulation. When we look her over, you can see she does have articulation at the neck, the shoulder, and of course the hips. Her outfit is all one piece like that, and there she is. Now, before we get rid of Miss Tall Barbie for the day, to wrap up her review, I actually wanted to do a comparison because I said, when is the last time we got an ethnic Barbie with the Afro? Well, the only one I can think of is bam, Miss Rocker here. If you guys remember when Mattel did the remake of Barbie and the Rockers, they did make a rocker with an Afro who was of an ethnic background. So we're basically doing tests of the blonde Afros. Who Afro is softer? Has Mattel gotten better with time, or is it the same? So when I feel the Rocker's Afro, let's take a look at this. So we're just gonna fill it out. It is nice and curly, and this is box hair, you know, but it's still nice. So I really like that, and I like that hers has a shape to it. That actually does matter. So now when we go over here to Miss 180, oh, hers is really soft. The material is really soft. Everything about it is like really soft. So I really like that. Now, the only negative is that it's not really the most shaped. Her curls are definitely loose, free flowing type of curls. So it's a different little vibe when it comes to Miss Tall over there. But I love both of them. They both represent colorful afros, and I'm hoping Mattel will get more and more into that. Not that I'm not into the black afros, but it's cool to have some different type of representation when it comes to the color of afros. So now that we've looked over the doll, we've looked over her hair, I'm gonna come up with maybe 2 looks that we can look over. So I'm gonna go through my Barbie fashion bag, and we'll be right back. Side notes, let's get into their faces. I just was looking these 2 beauties over. Did they really give the blonde girls with the afros the same face sculpt? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Oh my goodness, is this the same face sculpt? Chime in below. No, they did not give the afro to the same, and then it's a blonde afro on the same face sculpt twice. Get into these comments. We'll be right back. Alright, so we are back with Fashionista 180, and I'm trying to think of a name for her. I'm trying to think of a cute name. I can't really think of something. What would I want to name her? Rhea? Because her hair is the sun color of the sun rays. So if you guys didn't see, these are her baby hairs. So this first look I came together is from a Barbie Fashionista. It's like all pink and it has those cool designs all over it. What is called houndstooth design all over it. It looks very, very cute. I definitely want to come up with a different look, because although this is a cute look, it's not my favorite look for her. I'm gonna see if I can come up with something that'll not only complement her hair but her skin tone as well. And I really like how she can stand on her own. So I'm gonna try to find one more look and we'll be right back. Rhea, Sun Rhea, in this green, white, and pink outfit. This is from one of the Barbie relaxation lines, one of those dolls that came out. I believe it was one of the spa Barbies. I think her look really complements this outfit. I wish she had ear holes so I could give her some type of leaf earrings. I could always make that happen. But I think there's one more look I want to try. You know, we've seen her in her original look. We've seen her in another look. We've seen her in this one. So let's give her like more of a dressed up type of look. We have Sun Rhea in her last outfit. And the thing is, Mattel, we need to talk, because it's actually not a lot of shoot options for the tall Barbies. So I put together this beautiful lace and yellow dress. I gave her some silver attributes, even a silver thing. But when it came to her shoes, I couldn't really find anything that could fit the longer flat feet. So her shoes really don't complement her overall look, but I did want to offer this diva a more classical look. And overall, I'm happy that I made the purchase. Will I be putting her on a made to move body? As soon as I find one that complements her, I will. I think she's a very beautiful doll. I love what Mattel has done. They said, you know, instead of giving you guys the traditional blonde, we're going to give you a blonde with a little bit of a factor. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. I have a personal goal going on where I'm trying to get to 5K. So like the video, share, comment, and let me know. Are you still here for Barbie Fashionistas? And are you feeling some of these new dolls? I'll see you guys in my next video.
It's like, why even ask me? Damn classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down, up and down, up and down around the town. Why ask me? Why ask me? Why ask me? Up and down, up and down. Ooh, why ask me? Ooh, why ask me? Ooh, why ask me? Up and down around the town. Swerve, you're in a new car. Swerve, make sure you don't swerve. You're in a new car. Swerve, back and forth, up and down now. Swerve, she riding around now. Swerve, up and down now. Swerve, she bouncing around now. Swerve. Ooh. 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 Swerve up and down, all around the town. Swerve. You think you're gonna hit these curves? Watch the road, boy. Swerve. You think you're gonna hit these curves? Look around and swerve on them. Swerve. Watch out for the swerve. Look out for the swerve.